Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku, regular 4-star Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 12th, 2024, the last working day of this week, and I've already solved one puzzle. The 3 stars Sudoku I've already solved. Let me show you. Come on. And 2 puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. So it's time now for the 4 stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper there is also an additional extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. And news of today, well, I've told you again, mistakes are made in the press conference with Joe Biden. Yeah, he made a mistake again. Yeah, I believe he switched the names of Zelensky with Putin and Vice President Trump. Yeah. Anyway, let me start with this 4-star Sudoku number 8886. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Well, usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. The question is this a 4 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me start with the 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Then let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Alright. Then, 9. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the mile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Alright. Now. Let me see. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Then June 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 4 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Look, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6, 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for them all. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Alright, and now need a 9 here. Need an 8. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Well. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be there. Well. 2, 2. 2, 2. How about the 3? No. How about the 8? No. How about the 5? Well, I need a 5 here. 5. Come on. 3, 5. 3, 5, 8, 9. Okay. 9, need a 3, could be everywhere. Need a 5, could be everywhere. Yeah. I need a 6. Come on. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, in the middle column, 3 missing numbers. We need an 8 in the middle column. Here can we 8, we have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. Here can we 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 in the middle column should be there. So 2 numbers left here should be the 7 and the 3. Here also the same numbers in this big square. 7 and the 3. Double check. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 7 and 3. So here we have a pair. So these 3 should be 8, 5, and the. I need a 8, 5, and the 6. Need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. 1, need a 2. 3, need a 4. 4, 4. Need a 5, need a 6. 6, 6. We need a 6 there. Okay. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the third row. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So the 2, the 3, 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this big square. So no 2 there. So the only place level 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this column for the mile. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, and now 8 and 9, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, we have a pair here. So the other pair should be the 7 and the 3 in this column. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 7 and 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 3, we have a 3 in the middle column, so this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left should be the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 or 5, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 5. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for us, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.